everybody out there. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate anybody who takes time to watch 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, the entire 5 or whatever I've recorded for the day. I really appreciate anybody taking time to watch any of my guitar videos. So hit the like if you're into this. Today I want to talk about what I call the stack. It's part of the pentatonic scale, but I'm going to focus on just 3 strings with this scale. So let's start here. Say we have a G power chord. And what I'll do is I'll slide up to these 6 notes here. So I'm going 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7 off of that G power chord. 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. This is my root for the scale here. We talked about octave shapes in some of my videos. So it's a pretty cool thing to use. You just want to get back to that root. You can land on the 5th, which is right above it. And I just move it around. So if I'm down here on this C power chord here on the 3rd fret, I have my 3rd and 4th fingers here on the 5th fret of the 4th and 3rd string. Once again, I'll start with maybe my ring finger and I'll slide up to the 7th fret. There's my root for the C, that's the scale. You can connect them and climb down it. Start in G and end up in the C stack, if you will. If I go up to the D chord here, the power chord, I have that same little stack right off of it. It's going to be at the 7, 9, 7, 9, 7, 9 on the 5th, 4th, and 3rd string. And your root is always at that bottom. When I'm looking down at the fretboard, left-hand side of the scale here at the bottom note, that's my root there. And what I like to do is I'll just do this little chromatic thing on the top here. So at the top of the scale, say if we're in the G position here, I would go 5, 6, 7 on the low E string. 5, 7, 5, 7. And I was kind of doing the boogie. Get a lot of mileage out of something like that. It's fun to mess around with. Give it a try, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Take care.